Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to talk about how to set filters in Gmail to organize your email. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, organizing email is a really good for us to find out our important mail on our mailbox. So here you can see we already have four options in the top button. Here you can see primary, then we have another category that name is promotion, another one is social, and last one is updates. So all are important for us. So here if you want to organize all the email over that place, we need to be know about mail here. So here we can see we have options in the category, like in the left corner you can see these are inbox, status, snooze, sent, draft, then many more like important. These are labels, then chats, schedule, all mail, and also have the spam box here where we can see spam email that place. Then we have trash option, like which email we already deleted, that email will be restored in this trash box, and from this trash box if we delete this mail, it means it totally delete from the internet or our Gmail. So if we have, and also we have categories option like social. In here you will get only mail, like it's organized like from social platform. If we get any email, we will find out in here. Then second we have updates, then we have forums, promotions, manage level. You are allowed to create new level too, and here you can see we already made some levels over here to organize our mail, but I did not use yet. So in this video I am going to use those labels, categories, and many more to organize my full email. So first of all, we need to be go over there in setting button. Once we click over where in the gear button, you can see these are the option where you can change your theme, your mail theme, your density, then also reading panel, and many more. So you can explore it one by one if you want to do it. So right now I want to see all the settings, that's why I am going to click over that place. Once I click over here, you can see this is the panel of our setting. So here we can change our general, you can see it, but right now we are going to work on levels. That for reason you can see this is the level where we can see our right side elements in here. So if I click over here show, you can see inbox is by default show, so you are not allowed to do any edit over this inbox button, but you can do your edit after all the elements here. So here you can see if we click over here hide, let's click on hide, then you can see it already hide. You are allowed to see it on another place, so you can see in here. If I click again show, then you are allowed to see it by default. So here we are going to make all the thing hide to make our interface so much neat and clean. So let's click on hide, again hide. This is not necessary for me, that's why I'm going to make this hide. So then again we are going to click on hide, and hide. Now you can see these are looks really nice, and let's hide something further more to make more organized. So these are hide, let's hide graph, schedule, hide. So you can see that we already hide many things. Now our total interface looks really clean and it looks mesmerizing. So here if we want to add any new level, we are allowed to do it. Just here you need to be click on create new level. Once you click on here, you will get this kind of a pop-up box in your desktop where you can add any level. Let's add a level. That name will be by my name, that will be way simple. And next level under, you can nest it in under anything you want, but I want to make it as a parent level name, that's why I'm going to leave it here like this way, and I will just click over here create, and you can see with simple has been added. So now next step will become that is to organize our primary box, promotion box. So here we are getting so much email on that option, so we need to filter it one by one. So it is really hard to find out a mail over that place. Maybe it will be important or not, but finding a mail will be really difficult. So for that reason, Gmail already give us some features here in the search box. You can see show search option. Just click over here, and here you can filter all the mail. Like you are looking for a mail that come from your office. Let's give you an example. That will be, right now I'm working on Google, and Google send me some messages, and I'm finding those messages with together, but I'm not allowed to do it. That for reason I will going to copy this email address, and let's see. You can see if I click over here, it will be expand, and here you can see from Google no reply @gmail.com, and two, it was my mail. So I am going to copy this from option, then I will return back to this page, and I will click on here this button, and I will paste it here. Once I paste it here, they are asking for similarly paste another mail, but right now it is okay. Then you can add two options, like two means my mail account, so you can paste it here. Then you can find it or filter it your email by using subjects. Also has the word, like any kind of word included in the mail, then you are allowed to search or filter this by using this word. Then doesn't have, you can also find out your mail by using these options. And then you can see the size, like what is the size of your mail. It would be something like 10 MB, 1 MB, 1 KB, whatever you want. Whether you can see date and within, it is the important. So if you want to see 1 year mail, then you need to be click on 1 year. If you want to looking for 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 month, is totally up to you. Then I'm going to click on search. Once I click over here, now you can see all our email has been come to here by this level. So it is the mail, and by this name we are getting all the email over that place. So now you can easily find out all your company email in once. So it makes so much easy. And as you can see, this is the string from this mail address after date and before date. So you think you can organize your mail by doing this option or using this platform. So let's make a thing for you to make it more organized. So we are going to create a level that will be research, and let's create it. And now I just want to add some mail over that place in the research box. So let's go into the promotions. So here I'm going to add this google.com to our research option. So how I will do it? So for that reason, I need to be, I go here and I need to be click on this 3 dot in the left right corner and just click over here. Once I click over here, you can see we already get this option. So not this way, we need to be selected first. Just click over here. Why it not working? I think there is a problem because of it is sponsored. That for a reason we are not going to add this as our research level. So let's go in the social, and it is also the same name team, but you can make it as a star. It is also a level. Here you will find out this star level. If you want to look it, yes, you can see it by through using these categories. Yes, this one in star, you can see this is the option. So I'm going to uncheck this star, and now it will be again go over that place. So here you can do it. Let's use this sandbox option or any kind of other option. Let's do it this sandbox to as our research platform. Then I'm going to click over here, and now you can see level as research. Let's find out research. Have a look. This research has been come over here. Just click over here, and now you can see that our level has been integrated without this mail. Now if I click over here research, now you can find out this level option here. Our this sandbox email is come to research box. In this way you can do it any email if you want to use, like Facebook, other YouTube and other platform. So let's do it another one. Let's click on whoop, and by clicking over here, if you don't find out this level option, just follow the previous way. Then you are allowed to add your mail onto this research and with simple level, and you can create new level 2. I hope this video is really helpful for you and you find out this video will be literally knowledgeable for you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.